All right, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever in the world you are. Hello. All right, so this is Logo Boss again for another tutorial. Today I want to teach you all about the Pathfinder tool. And before we get into it, remember to subscribe, like my Instagram page, leave a comment, share this video with your friends and family. All right. Right, so some people been asking me about the Pathfinder tool. So the Pathfinder tool is basically this tool here. It basically allows you to create different shapes. So by either you're combining two shapes to make another shape. So let's start off with, like, for example, a circle, right? So say for example you have this circle and then you have another circle, and I wanted to combine these two shapes, right? All you have to do is go to the Pathfinder tool, you're holding down Alt or Option, and you click in Unite, right? When you hold on Alt or Option, that allows you to like still go in and edit. You could double click on the shape before you make a final decision of how you want that shape to look, and then you click expand, and expand is the completed shape, right? So using that same technique, I guess you could use that to draw a cloud or something, which I would show you here now. You select all the shapes, you hold on Alt, you press Unite, and as I said before, you could always double click and play around before you make your final decision. Double click to come out, and then you click expand, and it will keep that shape. The next option in the Pathfinder is minus front, right? What that does is, if you have one shape and then you draw another shape in front of it, this shape is in front because I drew that this was the last shape that I drew. So automatically when you draw a shape in Illustrator, it would put the most recent shape to the front. Alright, so wherever this is overlapping this shape, which is this area, they would minus this shape from this shape which is in the back, right? So when you hold on Option and you click minus front, you would see that this shape is being subtracted. Again, if you double click, you could always move this around before you make your final decision, right? When you decide that that's where you want it, you double click to come out and you click expand. Alright, you could also use this, like, let's say you want to add a shadow to the cloud. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this and paste it in front and change the color to like a gray for the shadow. And we're gonna copy this, paste it in front, make it a little smaller, bring it up a little bit, and then we minus in this shape here from this shape. Remember, we drew this shape last, so this shape would be on top. So the same way that you did with the moon, you click in the tool, you're holding down Option and minus front, and then, well, we double click in to make sure we like how it look, right? So if you watch here closely, you would see it have a little thing there. So you just expand this a little bit. Alright, that should be good. Double click and then you click expand. So you have a nice shadow on the cloud itself. Right, the other one is Intersect. To be honest with you, I mostly just use Unite, minus front, and divide. I don't really use anything else here, but I would still go through the 4 to the top and this one. Right, the other one is Intersect. So if you draw two shapes, wherever they intersect or overlap, when you click that button, it would make the intersection a shape. So see how they have this intersection here? Let's try it there. Option, intersect, make a double click to move it around, double click, and then you click expand. Right, the other option is Exclude. If you draw a square, and I draw another square, and I select these two. This area here and this area here is all it would click. It would delete the intersection, so it would exclude where the shapes intersect. Same thing, option, click expand. Right. The other one, this one here, divide. This is one that I use a lot. So let's say that I have a circle and I have another circle. It would divide this shape into 1, 2, 3 editable points. So let's press divide, option and divide, and when I double click now, you will see that this is a separate shape from this and this. Right? So yeah, so that's a basic tutorial of the Pathfinder tool. As I said, I don't really, these options here are more or less these same options up here. I don't know why they have them twice, but this and this option, unite minus and divide are the options I use. Alright, so thanks for tuning in, guys, for another tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Logo Boss on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, logoboss.wi. Like the tutorial, leave a comment, let me know what you want to learn next. And yeah, see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.